Hello to everyone, and thank you again for joining me on the Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So today I am going to be reviewing just a wig that I picked up at my local beauty store, and it is CoCo. It is from the Vella Vella wig collection, and I will be reviewing the color 1B. This particular wig does come in different colors, and it can hold up to 375 degrees according to the stock card, because it's made with those premium fibers. So if you're interested in seeing what this particular beauty look like on, then you know the drill, people. I need for you to stick around. I'll be back. Okay, this is what the 1B looks like out of the pack. I don't know, y'all. This wig is looking kind of funny. Let's keep going and let's see how it looks. I got it because it was a curly style, and y'all know how I feel about my curly looks. I love my curly looks. This particular wig does have a comb at the nape of the wig, and we do have only one comb, which is positioned at the very front of this particular wig. No combs on the side other than that front one. Let's start putting her on. I don't know, you guys. This might take some work. I'll be back. Let me say, I am pleasantly surprised. Aside from the color 1B, I think I would prefer a lighter color, but this is the 1B, and this simply looks like a nice curly roller set to me, and it is ideal. It is ideal. Let me go ahead first, before I try some accessories on with this. Let's go ahead and do a 360 so that you can see how she looks. Hopefully I have it combed out a little bit so that you can see the back of it. Ooh, I'm loving her. Again, I would do a lighter color for myself. I don't know, the 1B just looks a little too dark for me. Believe it or not, I like the style. You could wear this wig to work. It is definitely ideal for work. You know, I'm just finger combing it, and that's it. You can pick it out. Now let's try just putting this on the wig and tying it around. I tell you, if you were like wanting to look cute going to the gym or walking, taking a stroll outside, this could be it, because it's not long. It's a short little cute little curly wig, and that's how it would look with the little scarf, and you could work out in it. And wouldn't you just look darling in this wig? I think you would. Oh, it is darling. But guys, thank you so much for joining me again today on Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. I've enjoyed being with you all. As always, if you hadn't joined, go ahead and join our family. Until next time, take care of each other and yourself, and we'll be back next week.